To put my poles into the ground, I'm using this blue circle Poscrete, ready to use. Yeah, you can put the post directly in and just add the water. You add this into the hole, put the pole inside, of course, first. Add this, and if you want, you can add some gravel, 10mm gravel that I have here, and just add the water, and that will set immediately. Set post within 5 to 10 minutes, saving you time. Just add to water, no mixing required. Okay, so practically you can put the water there first and then add this. We will see how it is. It's 220 kilogram of body from the B&Q. Let's see how this works for us. Okay, now we have put short pole first, then with the watering can, some rainwater we had available, added some gravel, immediately the concrete. So the water is already there, and hopefully it will set. With the other post that we did, it immediately set, probably less than 5 minutes. So we will see. If it doesn't set, I will just sprinkle some concrete again on this. Let me do it now. Some concrete again, and it seems it's working. Okay, I've added some gravel also. Okay, I've added also some of the flint that we have, just to give it a strength, set it up, make a add bulk to the concrete. So as you see, this is the result. And Susan is holding it. If you remove your hand, what happens? It stays. It is strong. It's set. We have concrete in less than 5 minutes. So this one is done.